Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a hair transformation. We're going to be combing the hair to the side, and we're going to have a hard part, and we're going to do a fade on the side. Guys, stay till the end of this. You guys will want to see how it comes out. Guys, see, so I section